One man fatally shot, three including students injured near JDF checkpoint. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Independent Commission of Investigations (INDECOM) have launched an investigation regarding an incident in which a man was shot and killed and three other people, including two female students, were injured along Oxford and Beaton Street in Kingston. The incident reportedly took place in the vicinity of the JDF checkpoint at approximately 11 p.m. Police sources claim that there was a reported shootout between law enforcement officers and an armed man in the area. During the processing, over 50 spent casings were recovered from the scene, said INDECOM. The deceased man has been identified as 23-year-old Marvin Cummins. INDECOM in a release said that two of the injured persons are female students under the age of 18 years old. The incident scene, which was processed by INDECOM and the JCF scenes of crime, is extensive as it includes both marked JCF service vehicles as well as an alleged exchange of gunfire at the checkpoint. Members of both the JDF and JCF have confirmed that their weapons were discharged during the incident and stated that it was in response to being fired at by men traveling on motorcycles. No firearms have been reported as recovered during the incident. INDECOM investigation is ongoing as the Commission seeks to determine the full facts and understand the account provided by both members of the security forces and the civilians included in the statement. The Commission will provide further details as it becomes available. Any member of the public who is able to assist the investigation is encouraged to contact the Commission's head office or send their information, photos or videos directly to INDECOM's official WhatsApp line at 876-553-5555. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.